Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone aiming to excel in their career: soft skills. So, what exactly are soft skills, you ask? Well, they're those magical abilities that go beyond technical know-how and play a massive role in your professional journey. Think of them as your secret weapons for success: the power of communication. Let's kick things off with one of the most essential soft skills: communication. Clear and effective communication can make all the difference in how you're perceived and understood in the workplace. Whether it's presenting your ideas, active listening, or just nailing that email, honing your communication skills will set you miles ahead. Picture this: you're in a team meeting, and you confidently articulate your thoughts, leaving your colleagues impressed. Or you're the go-to person for collaboration because you know how to convey your ideas in a way that inspires action. That's the power of communication in action, the art of emotional intelligence. Now let's delve into something equally important: emotional intelligence. This skill lets you navigate tricky situations, build strong relationships, and handle both successes and setbacks gracefully. Imagine your boss unexpectedly changes the project direction. Instead of getting frustrated, you use your emotional intelligence to adapt, understand their perspective, and contribute constructively. That's emotional intelligence guiding your career trajectory. Teamwork makes the dream work. Next up, we have teamwork, the backbone of any successful venture. Collaborating seamlessly with diverse colleagues can lead to breakthroughs you'd never achieve alone. Picture this: you're part of a tight-knit team where everyone values each other's input. Together, you overcome challenges, celebrate wins, and create a positive work environment that boosts productivity and job satisfaction. Problem-solving prowess. Host: now let's talk about problem-solving skills. Every workplace encounters hurdles, and being the problem-solving hero can earn you major brownie points. You're faced with a complex issue, but you approach it methodically, analyze options, and propose a creative solution that saves the day. Your colleagues are amazed by your ability to turn challenges into opportunities. And there you have it, folks, a sneak peek into the world of soft skills for career success. Remember, investing time and effort into developing these skills can transform your professional journey in ways you never thought possible. Until next time, keep honing those soft skills and watch your career soar. Thanks for tuning in.